Hi, we're grilling today. I'm showing you my barbecue chicken and how I prepare it. A couple of weeks back, we decided we were going to do a little family cookout at the beach. And I wanted to do barbecue chicken because I know you can grill on this beach. And so I went ahead and began to marinate my chicken the night before. So I have about 18 chicken legs and about 6 to 8 thighs. And I'm using Lowry seasoned salt, and you're going to just season this to taste. I have gloves on, so I just move the chicken around and put as much seasoned salt as I think is necessary. Next, I'm going to add HEB Texas rib rub. I know it's chicken. I just like the flavor of this rib rub. I'm using garlic powder as well as fresh garlic. I've taken about 5 cloves and cut them in half, and I'm going to add them, set them aside actually. I have 1/8 of a cup of red bell pepper that I'm chopping up, making it pretty small. And then next what I'm doing is I'm adding that to the seasoned chicken, right? I'm going to do the same thing with about 1/8 of a cup to 1/4 of a cup with green bell pepper. And finally, I'm going to also do about 1/8 of a cup of red onion. Okay, so I've chopped that up fine, and I'm going to add that also to the seasoned chicken. And for my next ingredient, I'm using cilantro. So I have 1/2 cup of cilantro here that I've washed and I've cleaned and I've chopped. I'm adding that to my chicken, and then I'm going to just mix all of these ingredients together. The seasoned chicken, the vegetables, and for the final piece of this chicken recipe, I'm going to add liquid smoke. And so I add a liberal amount of liquid smoke. And that's going to seep in and help season my chicken even more. So once my seasoned chicken is all mixed well together, I'm going to transfer that to a gallon plastic bag. And I'm actually double bagging this. So for the first bag, I'm actually sealing the chicken inside, and then I'm actually putting another bag on top of it so that I can refrigerate this chicken and let it stay overnight and marinate without leaking. So it's the next day. I've transported my chicken in our cooler and kept it nice and cool while we got to the beach. And I am preparing my grill. As you can see here, I'm using charcoal, and basically once the charcoal has turned white and there's still heat from the grill, then it's ready to place the chicken on the grill. I'm definitely turning this. There's a little bit of an art to barbecuing chicken or grilling chicken. It just takes practice. So I'm going to turn the chicken while it's browning on the outside, and then I'm going to cover it with the vent closed on my grill so that it will cook on the inside. And I'll just continue to turn until it's fully cooked. And when it's done, this is what it looks like. It's delicious barbecue chicken. I put the barbecue sauce on the side because we're at the beach. It was a hit with my family.